contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the WWE Championship. Approaching the ring, accompanied by Mr. Fuji, weighing 505 pounds, the WWE Champion, Yokozuna.
And now, Yokozuna will square off against Bret the Hitman Hart. What kind of condition physically is Bret Hart in? What kind of condition mentally is Bret Hart in? And that may be the key right there.
Well, that's right. Physically, he's probably been in worse shape before, but mentally and emotionally, never. He's got to be at the lowest point in his career, and that's what's going to spell doom for Bret Hart.
Yokozuna, unquestionably a monster.
And his opponent, from Calgary, Alberta, Canada, weighing 234 pounds, Bret Hitman Hart.
The question is, can the Hitman do it? Oh, wait a minute. Ring the bell, he says. Yokozuna wasted no time at all. This is Bret Hart's second consecutive WrestleMania main event against Yokozuna, and it's for the WWE Championship.
Well, this all started when Lex Luger and Bret both won the Royal Rumble when they both touched the ground at the same time.
That's right, King. A coin toss determined who would face Yokozuna first. Luger won the coin toss, but lost his match earlier in the evening.
Well, Bret Hart battled his brother and lost in the opening bout this evening. That loss has to weigh on the Hitman's mind.
Look out! What a landing!
Watch it!
What a move!
To take a chance like that, do you know how
Bret Hart remembers last year when Yokozuna defeated him for the WWE Championship? Bret is determined to not repeat the nightmare of WrestleMania 9.
History has a way of repeating itself, JR. Yokozuna wants to make his own history again.
Bret Hart is bound and determined to take advantage of his opportunity tonight, King.
Bret's waited for a year to get a shot at the WWE Championship after losing at WrestleMania 9. This might be his last chance. I don't like how... Uh-oh.
And that's why they call it high risk, folks. A clubbing axe handle. And there's a quick kick. When you're a former sumo star, weigh over 600 pounds, and eat over 80 pounds of rice a week, well, folks, I guess that means that you can do whatever you damn well please.
Oh, nice move off the top rope.
And he strikes with a quick kick. When you have a man the size of Yokozuna, it's impressive that anyone can hold their own against him.
Well, it's one thing to hold your own. Ref watching, asking if they want to give up. Referee watching the submission closely. He's probably enjoying it.
And he grabs the ropes. He's in the driver's seat, and he knows it.
What a reversal by Yokozuna.
And that wild attack won't find a home. And there's the reversal.
Here comes Bret Hart from the top rope. Hey, what's that?
Somehow, some way, Bret Hart has found Yokozuna's number. Yokozuna is in serious trouble at the hands of the Hitman.
Do something, Mr. Fuji. Break out the ceremonial song. Wait a minute.
Yokozuna, unquestionably a monster.
Yokozuna is on a mission tonight. Yes! Drag that broken down piece of garbage over there. Finish him!
Yokozuna's going up. The Hitman Bret Hart's not moving.
I can't believe what I've seen.
He slipped. Yokozuna going for a massive bonsai drop. Slipped and fell.
He looks knocked out to me, JR. He's seeing stars.
Looks like he's trying for a pin here.
3.
Here is your winner and new WWE Champion, Bret Hitman Hart.
We have a new champion. Bret Hart has reclaimed the WWE Championship. Yokozuna can't believe it. The big man went for the bonsai drop. He lost his footing and seemingly knocked himself out.
Well, that made easy pickings for Bret Hart.